Achievement in history of microbiology. Father of microscopy or microbiology, Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Father of modern microbiology, Louis Pasteur. Father of bacteriology, Robert Koch. Father of virology, W. Stanley. Father of mycology, Raymond Sabarot. Father of chemotherapy, Paul Ehrlich. Father of antiseptic surgery, Joseph Lista. Founder of electron microscope, Ernst Ruska. Founder of L forms of bacteria, Klinberger. Founder of Gram stain, Hans Christian Gram. First to describe phagocytosis, Elie Mechnikov. Founder of PCR, Karibi Mullis.